Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something super important: how to set up a secure crypto wallet so you can keep your digital assets safe. Whether you're using Ledger, MetaMask, or Phantom, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at securing your crypto. Alright, let's get started. First things first, why should you even bother setting up a secure wallet? Well, if you're into crypto, security should be your number one priority. Hackers, phishing attacks, and scams are everywhere, and if you're not careful, you could lose all your funds in seconds. No one wants that, right? Here's the deal: not your keys, not your crypto. This means if your crypto is sitting on an exchange and you don't control the private keys, it's technically not yours. Exchanges get hacked all the time. That's why you need a secure wallet that you control. Let's break down the three most common types of wallets. Hardware wallets, cold storage. These are physical devices like Ledger Nano X that keep your private keys offline. Software wallets, hot wallets, apps like MetaMask and Phantom that let you store crypto on your phone or browser. Paper wallets, old school but secure, where you print your private key and store it safely. Now, let's start with setting up a hardware wallet using Ledger. Alright, if you're serious about security, a hardware wallet like Ledger is the way to go. Let's walk through the setup. 1. Unboxing and initial setup. When you open your Ledger Nano X or Nano S Plus, you'll find the device itself, a USB cable, recovery sheets. Plug it into your computer and go to Ledger's official website to download Ledger Live. 2. Setting up Ledger Live. Install Ledger Live and follow the on-screen instructions. Create a new wallet and write down your 24-word recovery phrase on the recovery sheet. Do not store this online. Set up a PIN code for added security. 3. Transferring crypto to your Ledger. Open Ledger Live, select Receive, and choose the crypto you want to transfer. Copy your wallet address and send funds from your exchange. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger device. Boom! You now have top-tier security. But what if you need quick access to your crypto? That's where MetaMask comes in. Now, let's talk about MetaMask, one of the most popular crypto wallets for Ethereum and other blockchains. 1. Installing MetaMask. Go to MetaMask.io and download the browser extension or mobile app. Click Create a Wallet and set a strong password. Write down your 12-word recovery phrase and store it safely. 2. Securing MetaMask. Turn on two-factor authentication, 2FA, where possible. Enable hardware wallet integration for extra security. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. 3. Adding funds and using MetaMask. Click Buy to purchase crypto directly. Or click Receive to transfer funds from an exchange. Use MetaMask to interact with DeFi apps, NFTs, and more. Now that you're set up on MetaMask, let's check out Phantom Wallet, the go-to for Solana users. If you're into Solana, SOL, and NFTs, Phantom Wallet is a must-have. Here's how to set it up. 1. Download Phantom. Go to phantom.app and install the extension or mobile app. Click Create Wallet and save your seed phrase securely. 2. Securing Phantom Wallet. Set a strong password. Enable biometric authentication, Face ID/fingerprint, for extra security. Never click on suspicious links related to Phantom Wallet. 3. Funding your Phantom Wallet. Click Deposit to get your wallet address. Send SOL or tokens from an exchange. Use Phantom for staking, DeFi, and buying Solana NFTs. That's it. Now you have 3 secure wallets to manage your crypto assets like a pro. Setting up wallets is just the first step. Let's go over some must-know security tips to keep your crypto safe. 1. Use a hardware wallet for large amounts. 2. Never share your seed phrase. No customer support or friend should ever ask for it. 3. Double-check URLs before connecting your wallet. Scammers create fake websites. 4. Use a separate device or browser for crypto transactions. 5. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA, on all your accounts. 6. Be careful with public Wi-Fi, avoid making transactions in public places. 7. Store your seed phrase offline in multiple secure locations. 8. Keep your software up to date to avoid security vulnerabilities. If you follow these steps, you'll drastically reduce your chances of getting hacked. Alright, that's a wrap. Now you know how to set up and secure your Ledger, MetaMask, and Phantom wallets. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more crypto security tips. Drop a comment below. Which wallet do you use the most? Or do you have any security tips I missed? Let's chat in the comments. Until next time, stay safe and happy hodling. Peace.